Alright. Also, if you would notice, second MEM, you have M0, M1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So whatever values you entered, see, if you remember, we entered 85, 50, 85 and M3. In the button 3, we entered 5. So all the values that you've entered in the memory from 0 to 9, you can enter 10 numbers over here from 0 to 9, second MEM, and all the values get entered, get stored over here. So 87, 87, whatever it is, plus 8, whatever is the answer, store, let's say 8, enter. So I have stored it in 8. I can recall 8, I can recall 8 and the answer comes up. And I can also go to second MEM and see, if you scroll down, I have the value 8 over here. So all the memory, whatever you've stored, is appearing over here. So basically, if you notice, I have not done the hyperbole part because that's not required. That's high level, into trigonometry and all those things. So we'll not need this. Now, the only thing that I've left is the word K over here, xPByY, PByY and Amort. Other than that, I think we've covered every single function on the calculator. Is everybody comfortable over here? Is everybody comfortable over here? Right? Now these functions, the amortization, PByY, xPByY and K, I would rather request you to ignore because it becomes very tedious. Basically, when you have mortgage installments or EMIs to be paid, the principal portion, the interest portion can be calculated using these. Once we start off, once you're comfortable with the calculator, we may look at that. But just the way depreciation, break even, percentage change, profit, we don't use these functions. Date functions you could use, store function you could use if you feel like, CF, NPV, IRR, data, stat you need to be comfortable with. All these square root, x square, 1 by x, to the power, NCR, NPR, etc., answer, reset, format. So I think you're more or less comfortable with every single button, and I'm not spending more time over here on the Amort, PByY and xPByY because it's a little complicated to use and there is more chances of making an error. So we can calculate the EMI payments, the principal and the interest component of an installment by ourselves. I hope everybody is comfortable, everybody understood every single function of the calculator.